These instructions will help you set up your backyard movie night bundle. Locate a flat, dry area to inflate the screen. Open the large black carrying bag and remove the smaller nylon bag. Set it aside. Remove the inflatable frame from the bag and unroll it. Connect the air blower to the frame and tie the strings to secure it. Connect the air blower to an outlet or the extension cord. Press the power button to inflate the frame. The blower must remain on for the frame to stay inflated. Do not cover or block the blower. This is what the frame looks like when it is fully inflated. Use the stakes and rope in the small black pouch to secure the frame to the ground. Remove the white screen from the smaller nylon bag. Lean the frame and, starting in one corner, attach the screen to the Velcro strips on the frame. This is what the inflated frame looks like with the screen attached. Connect the power cable to the projector, then remove the lens cap. Connect the power cable to the Blu-ray player. Connect the HDMI cable to the projector and the Blu-ray player. This is what the Blu-ray player and projector look like with the HDMI cable connected. Connect the speaker to the power cable and connect the aux cable to the projector and the speaker. If you get feedback sounds, unplug the cable, then plug it in again. Insert your disc into the DVD player. Use the remotes to turn on all devices. On the projector, select the HDMI input source. Adjust the foot screw on the bottom of the projector to raise or lower the image. Adjust the keystone and focus rings to get the best image. Use the remotes to adjust the sound volume. You may need to raise the volume on the projector as well as the speaker. You're now ready to watch your movie. Enjoy!